The dream of creating a universal robot brain similar to an Android OS or Windows OS, but designed specifically for robots, is heating up. Google's DeepMind has now partnered with Apptronik, marking a significant step in this race. And from what we have seen, the capabilities of Google's DeepMind team, it means they are going to come up with something insane. On the other hand, OpenAI and Microsoft are also deeply invested, and so far they are collaborating with Figure and 1X Technologies, which has advanced Figure 02 capabilities that it will become the second humanoid robot to earn a salary every month as from this January, while NVIDIA is also working alongside Robotics to develop their vision of a universal robot brain. Tesla, that uses human operators and call it autonomous as expected, is taking the in-house approach, keeping its development tightly controlled. The stakes are incredibly high, and whoever cracks the code first could revolutionize the robotics industry, making robot development more seamless and unlocking immense revenue potential. Apptronik's partnership with Google DeepMind brings together cutting-edge robotics hardware with some of the most advanced artificial intelligence capabilities in the world. Jeff Cardenas, who is co-founder and CEO of Apptronik, emphasized the potential of this collaboration, envisioning intelligent, versatile, and safe robots that could transform industries and address critical global challenges. This partnership shows Apptronik's mission to create humanoid robots that prioritize human safety and collaboration. For those who don't know, Apptronik is no newcomer to the robotics game. It spun out of the Human-Centered Robotics Lab at the University of Texas at Austin in 2016. The company boasts nearly a decade of experience in human-centered design. Its team of 150 employees has worked on 15 robots, including the NASA Valkyrie project, and a robot called Apollo. Apollo is already being tested in real-world applications after they partnered with Mercedes-Benz a year ago. Mercedes-Benz is trialing the robot in automotive manufacturing, while GXO Logistics has deployed Apollo for warehouse operations alongside other humanoids like Agility Robotics Digit and Reflex Robotics General Purpose Robot. The company's long-term vision extends beyond industrial settings, aiming to deploy robots in healthcare and even in homes. Meanwhile, Google DeepMind continues to push boundaries in AI-powered robotics. The London-based unit of Alphabet is focused on creating AI systems capable of reasoning and acting in real-world scenarios. Its robotics team has made significant advances, including the development of Gemini for robotics. The partnership between Apptronik and Google DeepMind adds to a growing list of collaborations reshaping the humanoid robotics landscape. Companies like Boston Dynamics, Sanctuary AI, and Tesla are also vying for a piece of the market, but few have moved beyond development to real-world trials. Apptronik's collaboration with Google DeepMind could set a precedent, showcasing how advanced AI and robotics can converge to create groundbreaking solutions. This year has been a whirlwind for humanoid robot development, with breakthroughs and partnerships redefining the industry's future. As more collaborations are announced in the coming year, the race to build the ultimate robot brain promises to get even more competitive, and the implications could transform industries and everyday life in ways we're just beginning to imagine.